Do you have problems in Unity after merging meshes in Blender and then importing it back in to Unity and then the mesh is gone in Unity? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Okay. This. Okay, well, so my arm here, as an example, this is my new model. I'll be using this at some point soon. But this arm, not attached, right? So I'm going to go to my Blender here, and I'm going to merge it. Object mode. Ah, right. There we go. I'm going to merge it with my body. If I can click on my body, there we go. Join mesh. Easy enough. The blend shape. Yeah. Should be there. Body shrink as well. Now I'm gonna file export FBX. Import. There we go. Yeah. As you can see, my arm is no longer showing the mesh. So the easy answer, well, the answer is the materials here. If I just switch that material from 3 to 4, hit enter, and then I can just put my arm material back on, and there you go. Your mesh is back. It's that easy. So basically what happens is your materials here don't get updated. So say if I clicked on this material, or say I reduce this down to one material, it's gonna get rid of everything but the one first material. So that's kind of how you can fix it. You can easily find this just by clicking on the body in Inspector, and it will just be here in your materials. I really hope this helps someone, because I tell you what, I've had to restart many projects because I didn't know that that's how you got your mesh back. Well, not really restart, but redid a whole lot of work. Obviously, this is also going to require you to, if you have any animations, to just fix up the animation. Should be super easy. Just go back to your animation. Let's say, let's see now. This jacket, go to animation. It looks fine here. Make a quick duplicate and chuck this back in. You'll see here the arm shrink body render is kaput. Just remove, hit record. Oh, there I am. It's gonna get my blend shape. Do that. I'm also gonna do this because that's a little update I needed to add. And there you go. Just delete your duplicate. Add your blend shapes. And yeah, you're all good now. Your animation will now work. As you can see, there's no weird kerfuffle issues with my fingers. All the bone mesh is bone mesh. All the bones are still identical and still the same. And technically, all the mesh is still the same. So yeah, have fun. Uh, I'm just going to go to this. Ah, so if that helped you, just like if you need any other advice or help or whatever, just leave a comment. I'll check them eventually, or you could join my Discord. That will be in the description, or my Twitter, and ask me questions there. I will have that in my description as well. Um, yeah. Adios. Now, where the hell is? Oh, stop recording.